We find f prime of x and f prime of c. Okay, so the function f of x is as follows: f of x equals 1/3 2x to the third minus 4, right? And the value of c is c equals 0. So we're seeking f prime of x and f prime of c. So let's go ahead and find f prime of x first. That's the first derivative of this function right here. Let's go ahead and simplify it in lowest terms. So it's going to be 1/3, it's a distributive property, times the first term, and 1/3 times the second term. So it's 1/3 times 2x to the third power, plus 1/3 times negative 4. And then that's going to be, let's see, this is still f of x, right? And f of x equals 2/3 x to the third power plus negative 4/3. And that altogether is going to be 2/3 x to the third minus 4/3. So we're supposed to find the first derivative of that. It's going to be f prime of x equals the derivative with respect to x of 2/3 x to the third power minus the derivative with respect to x of 4/3. Alright. And then now factor out your so then find the derivative of this constant and this variable with the power. So just factor out your constant. So it's 2/3 times the derivative with respect to x of x to the third minus the derivative of constant 4/3. So f prime of x is equal to 2/3 times use the power rule, and it's going to be the power x to the 3 minus 1 minus the constant rule, where you apply the constant rule because the derivative of constant is equal to 0. So f prime of x is equal to 2/3 times 3x to 3 minus 1 is 2 minus 0. So f prime of x is equal to 2/3 times 3 divided by 1 x squared. And so f prime of x is equal to 2 times 3, which your numerator times your numerator is 6, over your denominator times denominator, which is 3 times 1 is 3 x squared. And so f prime of x is equal to 2 x squared. Now, if we had to find, what did it say, f prime of c? All you do is plug in the formula, 0, right? And so that'll be f prime equals 2x squared. So it'll be plug 2x squared, right? And just plug in wherever you see x, you plug in 0, and it's 2 times 0 times 0 is going to be 0. So f prime of c or f prime of 0 is going to be 0.